In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a Google document to view-only mode. This simple process is a fantastic way to ensure that your documents are shared securely while controlling who can view, comment on, or edit your documents. Whether for work, school, or personal use, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your Google Docs are shared exactly how you want them to be. First things first, let's start by accessing Google Workspace. This step is crucial since all Google documents are stored and managed within Google's ecosystem. You'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google account. This might seem basic, but it's the foundation of managing your documents effectively. Once you're on the Google Workspace homepage, it's time to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're like many of us, managing multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the one containing the document you wish to set to view only. This will streamline your process and make the next steps smoother. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is key in Google's ecosystem, so this step verifies your identity and grants you access to your Google Docs. Make sure you enter your password correctly to proceed. Following your successful login, go ahead and click on Next. This will take you directly into your Google Workspace dashboard, where all your productivity tools are neatly organized. Now look for the small square dots icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This is essentially the gateway to all the Google apps available at your disposal under your Google account. Clicking here will reveal a range of applications from Google Sheets, Google Slides, and importantly, Google Docs. Once you've found it, go ahead and navigate to Google Docs. This action will bring up a list of your documents or provide you with the option to start a new document. Locating the document you want to set to view only is what we're aiming for in this step. Upon locating your document, it's time to adjust its sharing settings. Look for the Share button located at the top right of your document's interface. Clicking on this button is the first step in modifying who can see and interact with your document. After clicking Share, you'll see an option that says Anyone with the link. This option might be tempting if you want to share your document widely, but remember, our goal is to set our document to view only. Hence, you'll instead want to click on Restricted. Selecting Restricted changes the access settings, tightening who can view or edit your document. This step is crucial for controlling your document's visibility and ensuring it's seen by eyes you trust or want feedback from without additional editing. Finally, after adjusting the permission settings to Restricted, don't forget to click Done. This action saves your settings, effectively securing your document in the view-only mode you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Google Doc to view only. This process is not only straightforward, but essential for managing your document's security and accessibility. Remember, sharing documents in the digital age requires careful consideration of who has access and what they can do with the information provided. By following these steps, you're taking a proactive step in managing your documents safely and professionally. Thank you for watching. Whether you're sharing sensitive work reports, collaborating on school projects, or distributing personal documents, knowing how to set your Google Docs to view only is an invaluable skill in your digital toolkit.